poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Pac, man. You in Pac World, Pac Nation, stand up. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button. Please do me a favor, drop a like on the jump for the one time for your boy, and share the video. But today, I know you see the title, I know you see the thumbnail, so let's get right into it. We have a Nike box. Label reads, Nike Dunk High SE Special Edition, light bone and green noise. When did noise become a color? Size 11. And these right here are slated to drop on August the 10th. So check your Flex app, because you can go in there now, you know, enter the raffle. Try to get these. But I'll show you how. Inside the box we have a lot number. We got that paper right here with that green sticker. And that's it for the box. See, I know, same box. But enough talking about the box. Let's get into what I know y'all here for. Bah! Whew. We have the Nike Dunk High First Use. And this is the green noise pair. And this is a pack they got coming out on August the 10th. You have the green noise pair, and then we also have the University Red pair. And you go back and check out the on foot and review of this sneaker right here. So after this video, go back and watch that one. Hey, support the channel. But we're talking about these right here. So let's get right into their review. You got a gray bottom, which I like that. And then we have like a sail midsole. And then you come up on this upper, you have that gray all over. And it comes with the leather on the toe box, the side panel, and wrapping the heel. And you have suede on all of the overlays. So you got that around the toe, come with the eye stays, and right here on the wings, and on the back heel right here as well. And this is some good quality material right here. And then on this side, you have, it's like that first Nike check, and then you have the one they use now. So this side is stitched, and then we have that regular Nike swoosh right there. And as you know, the Nike swoosh was first used on June 18th, 1971. Now, it'd been great if they had dropped this pack right here on the 18th, you know, just to commemorate the 30 years. I mean, I said 30. Wow. 50 years of the swoosh. But it kind of got delayed, you know, release date got pushed back, so they're dropping it on August the 10th. And then these come with those gray laces mixed in with the green, and you've seen this a lot on the Sakai's, how they got like the two laces, and I like that about these. And then this is one thing I love about these sneakers, as you can see on both of them, they have like a gold Dubray right there, and it's a Nike check. And I like that. And it has a little diamond inside of that as well. You'll see more of that in the B-roll. We have a gray sock liner. And then on the insole of the sneaker, which you will also see that in the B-roll, it's like the evolution of the Nike check. And to me, that's fire, because they're showing how the check just, you know, it came up from like when it was first used all the way up until now. And like I said, it's fire. But let's get right now into that on foot, and then I'm gonna take out these insoles, you can see what I mean, and then we jump right back in front of the camera to end the video off.
I feel like I was making this so fuck shit happen. Why I feel like I was blessed and then end up in panic. pray to God, I know he listening, he don't even answer. I threw my heart on side the road, it was already damaged. My love lost, it can't be feeling somewhere out distracted. I told the truth, you didn't listen, I don't understand it. Apologize so many times, why you couldn't accept it? This shit got me feeling all alone, I can't help it. Feel like heaven might be the place for me, or hell where I currently be. I'm just trying to ball for real, and little ones that's close to me. Swear this shit like all the dreamers. Can't blame no one but me. Talk to the guys about my problems, and they don't only speak. So if I'm talking about my problems, then this shit real to me. You might catch me all alone until I'm 23. I just wanna vent for real and get shit off my chest. I've been thugging all alone, and I don't know what's next. Get my dirt and pay my dues. I ain't saying I'm the best. You cross the line, you can't come back. That's so fair. I called your phone, hit up your line, you ain't hit me back.